So hi, concertians. We have Darshan with us today, who is gonna speak us and tell us about his journey with Concerto. So we welcome Darshan. Hi, Darshan.
Hi Rini, yeah, thank you.
How are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. So Darshan, it's been long that you are associated with Concerto. We want to know about your journey of Concerto.
I've been working with Concerto from last almost 6 years. Working with Concerto has given me a lot of exposure, lot of opportunities, and it was really great to handle local as well as international clients. Right from the base 24 training sessions, the dummy projects, the internal projects, and then working with the local clients and then getting a project internationally. So that has helped me to grow individually as well. And one of the best part is the work challenge and learning new skills day by day.
Okay. So any memorable moment or event you remember with Concerto?
One of the memorable part would be the training sessions, base 24 training sessions with my batchmates. I
Okay.
think we all had a good mindset to learn new things and to share that knowledge with each other, and that is the reason we all grew together, and that definitely helped each and every one of us.
Okay. So this is the thing you have been cherishing from so long. That's why you are
Yes,
associated with Concerto because of the new opportunities, the
yes,
work.
definitely the new opportunities and even the way Concerto helps an individual to to prepare himself and the employee is capable of handling the clients independently. So that is great thing.
Okay. So how is the pandemic and work going on?
Actually, when the pandemic started, I was in Saudi Arabia. So
Okay.
bank handled it and they gave me the provision to work from home. And then I think there was a great initiative by HR team to arrange a call weekly so that we can raise our concerns. And then I think last September I moved back to India, and I think the travel journey was well managed by Concerto. Yeah, and then from there I'm working from home for Network International.
Okay. So any suggestions or any piece of advice to all the consortiums who are with us that how to manage stress or how to manage this pandemic and work from home?
I think the better thing would be to definitely we need to stay home definitely, because this pandemic is actually creating a lot of stress, and definitely the news is creating more rather
Yes.
than but yeah, it's better to stay home, and definitely everybody stays home, it is definitely safe for everyone.
Thank you so much, Darshan, for this interaction, a small interaction with you. We loved your journey and we hope all the best for you. And we will see you more 6, more 7, more 8 years with Concerto.
Yeah, I also wanted to thank each and everyone from the Concerto family for giving me that opportunities, my batchmates, seniors, and everyone. And I wanted to wish Concerto happy anniversary and definitely many more years of success together.
Thank you so much, Darshan.